So hi guys, today the market is going to open with a slight gap down it seems. So let's see what happens. Don't take up a buy right after the market opens, okay? Just going to send the link to the YouTube community. Just give me a minute. We have to check the volume also at first. Okay. There seems to be a problem with the network, I believe. So the market is about to open within a few minutes, showing 36,367. Let's see what happens, okay? As expected, guys, it opened with a gap down. Buying came in. Now it's trying to go up, taking a resistance over here. Once it breaks this point, I think there would be a good buy available, but still I'm checking the price of the options once. So the buy has come in right after the market has opened, guys. So as I had expected, as soon as you get a dip, you will be able to see some amount of buying. But yeah, it's taking a resistance right now, and I would not recommend buying, okay? So it was a flat opening, to be honest. Now it's trying to come down. It's going to be a volatile market today, that's for sure. Okay, so right now 36,300 C trading at 282 rupees, 286 rupees, 290 rupees. So it did make a high of 348. I'm expecting the market to come down a bit. Okay, since it is taking a resistance over here, it can come down a bit. So let's see what happens. We have to be a bit patient over here. It's going to be volatile in the morning, up down movements. Okay, 276. It's taking a support right at this point, guys. Exactly what I thought. Need to be a bit more patient. Let's see how the market reacts to the first 5 minutes, and then only we are going to take a trade. But I want the market to go down a bit, and then perhaps we can find a good opportunity. Before that, I would not recommend. See, it's taking a resistance exactly at that spot, and this resistance has been drawn according to the hourly time frame, and that's the main reason why you can see the market now going down beautifully. So 2 candles at least I'm expecting. Okay, 2 candles, and then only perhaps we can think of going for a buy. Alright, 2 candles would be a minimum. Buying on dip would be the scenario, guys. So 36,300 C, which had made a high of 348, is right now at 271, 267, 265. It's coming down. Let's check the sell volume once. The buy volume is still high, guys. The buy volume is still there, so expecting the market to bounce from this point, I believe. Yeah, expecting to bounce from that point. Let's see if it breaks this. If it breaks this, it's going to go down beautifully. Okay, so I had already told you not to take a buy in the morning hours. I hope that 36,200 पे सपोर्ट लेगा ना. अभी 36,200 भी ब्रेक कर सकता है. Rohan, it's better you buy after it comes over here, 36,100. That's what I am expecting. Otherwise I won't buy it. I'm expecting a volatile market, and ये volatile होने वाला है आज थोड़ा बहुत. कल रैली दे चुका है और आज थोड़ा volatile होने वाला है. तो have you bought C? Did you buy anything? Right now the buying scenario is still not there, guys. Yes, it has closed above this point, but it's a selling scenario still. Okay, because the market is going to go for a dip, and then you can expect that buyers will come in to buy once they get a dip. At least 2 candles I had already shared with you in the pre-market session, Rohan. If you check the pre-market analysis video, I already told you that the market, don't go for the buy in the morning hours. It's going to come down. Alright, and if you want, you can check it even right now. So this is what experience brings to you guys. Experience, observing the same chart every day, you become experienced of how the market can move. Okay, a good amount of selling is coming right now, 36,300, and I'm observing this particular strike itself is trading at 252 rupees. Okay, can only go for a buy after it makes a good green candle. Okay, before that don't go for a buy. Before that, yes, I checked it. Okay. See, I told you two big green red candles will be there today. Exactly whatever I said is happening. So now don't go for a buy. Let it make a bullish candle. Let it give a strong bull signal. Well, this was the previous zone where it had taken a support, but still, I'm just checking the volume for you guys. Buy volume is still there, okay, but it's going down. Even though the buy volume is there, and there's a downward trigger too in on the charts. So still not in a buying zone. You have to be patient over here. Patience, guys, patience. Now it's trading at 245. I'm observing the same strike which was in the money at that time, 254, 245. Now it's getting a good amount of rejection at this point somewhere at 245. Bit more patience and you would be getting a good entry. Okay. Now you can see the rejection, sudden rejection, and the buy is coming in. Now the buy is coming in exactly at this point. It's trading at 285 right now. So yeah, it did make a low of 245. That was the lowest point where it had taken a support, and now it's ready to go up. Whoa, 343. Oh my god, I told you the market would be volatile, but I did not expect this much of volatility. 338. Okay, so that's something really huge. I told you two candles, you have to wait for two candles, and it happened in that manner itself. And now we almost got a buy trigger. Did we get a buy? Yeah, we got a buy trigger. Yes. 250. Oh my god, 250. 358. That's more than 100 points within 1 second. That's like literally more than 100 points within 1 second. Oh my god, 370, 380. 380. There's going to be a profit booking, guys. Okay, there is going to be a profit booking, I'm telling you. 380. Oh my god, that's 100. My god, that's more than 100 points, guys. Amazing. Amazing. If you just check the analysis, I didn't expect it to come down. I mean, come with such a huge comeback, but this is something really amazing, and yeah, Bank Nifty can do anything. So even with one lot right now, you would be sitting at 2,500 profit within just 1 second, actually. So right now 36,300 CE is in the money. Actually 36,400 is in the money, and it's trying to reach 36,500 also. My god, this is unbelievable, guys. This is just unbelievable. Okay, now the bull rally has started. Now the bull rally has started. It won't give you any chance to buy. I did not expect this. I expected a small green candle, which did not happen, guys. But the profit booking will come into play. It's going to be a volatile market, so be careful. Today's market, you won't see that it's going to come up and then down nicely. It won't be such a scenario. That's what I believe. But the trend is still upwards, and that's uh, what you should follow. You should always follow the trend. Such a spy. I mean, wow, that's the call option, which was at 240. Right now it's trading at 370. This is amazing, and again it's creating a volatility, hugely volatile market. I mean, this is something which you had expected today. Anyone who had entered with 1,000 lots, I think he would have made 1 lakh rupees within the first few seconds of the market open. And that's how it's easy to make money in the market, and also easy to lose a lot of money. and now it's going to come down, guys. Okay, I'm warning you. Right now it's going to come down a bit, but the intrinsic value of the call option is very high. 403. Wow. So the bull rally is going on right now. It's still continuing. Okay, and I think that it will continue for some time, guys. Bank Nifty can reach again, it can make a high of 1% easy. Bank Nifty can go up by 1%. Okay, Nifty has just reached 16,982 levels. Has it touched 17,000? Almost, guys, almost. It has touched 17,000 Nifty. You can even observe Nifty if you want. Going to create a volatility over here. Right now it's in an indecisive mode. That's what I believe. So 36,500 or 36,600 you can select as the call option if you want to trade in Bank Nifty, because it seems like it's going to reach that strike price. The call options are extremely costly right now, guys. Okay, I told you 36,279 support lega. So did you buy, Rohan? Yeah, exactly at that point it had taken a support. Dot, precisely at that point it had taken a support. But I would not buy at the first support. I have seen these type of market a lot. That's why I'm telling you that buying it at that support, it's very risky, because I wanted to make a bullish candle, but the bullish candle इतना bullish बनाया कि अभी the profit booking, अभी तो सब लोग अच्छा खासा प्रॉफिट में बैठे होंगे, सब लोग बुक कर रहे होंगे प्रॉफिट, तो बहुत ज़्यादा रिस्की है. बहुत ज़्यादा रिस्की. That's what. Very risky. Now see the red candle, the huge red candle in Nifty. Bank Nifty again, it's coming down to take a support. Okay, guys, if you want, you can go for a buy with small lots. Okay, it's coming down to take a support. You can go for a buy with small lots over here at this support. No, it's coming down. No, it's coming down very fast. Did not take a support over here. It's going to be volatile. That there was no doubt about it that the market would be volatile today. बोलते हैं ना, volatility at its peak, so that's what it's going to do. This was a support, no? It did not take the support. This was the second support, but this is the strong support which is there. In Nifty we are getting a profit booking scenario. Bank Nifty also we are getting a profit booking scenario. but the trend is upward, guys. The trend is clearly upward, and it's going to be a bullish market once it takes a support. This candle, I told you, the profit booking over here would be huge, because this candle itself gave every single person more than let's say more than 100 to 120 points if they would have stayed in that point itself. So 120 points, that's not bad, I believe, right? The buy is still there, the buy volume is still there. Okay, now the profit booking is coming into play. Huge amount of profit booking, to be precise. Huge, huge. Huge candles, my god. It's going to be a volatile market. I mean, there was no doubt about it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the hell, huh? What the hell is happening, huh, guys? So a buy can be taken somewhere at around this point, but still, guys, I would say be very careful. $36,700 ले लो. 36,700 हाँ रीच कर सकता है, बट मतलब क्या बताऊँ, बहुत रिस्की हो जाएगा. बट हाँ रिजेक्शन तो दिखा रहा है. वॉल्यूम बाय साइड में ही है, ठीक है. वॉल्यूम है अभी तक बाय साइड में, तो लेना है तो ले सकते हो, पर रिस्की तो है यार. देखता हूँ डाउन साइड का ट्रिगर आएगा. तो वॉलेटाइल मार्केट सिनेरियो क्रिएट कर रहा है. Highly volatile, really. The buy volume, now the sell volume is coming in slowly. It has sustained below this candle right now. Again it's going to go to that extent, and again it's going to come down. So much of volatility. All the SL has been hit. Okay, everyone's SL has been hit. Alright. Market is volatile, no doubt about it, guys. And choppy too. Volatile and choppy. दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन। If you place an SL, it will hit your SL and then only it will go up. Now the market has become a bit slower, but क्या सेल कॉल आया है? ओके, वॉल्यूम तो अभी भी बाई साइड में ही है, देखता हूँ क्या होता है। So did you take a trade, Rohan? नीचे आने वाला है। आज तो प्रॉफिट बुकिंग डे है, ये तो नीचे आने वाला है। यस, इट्स गोइंग टू कम डाउन गाइस, गोइंग टू कम डाउन। Taking a support somewhere at around 35,400, but yeah, it can come down. Highly volatile. If you are trading, then I would recommend better you trade without an SL. Otherwise it's going to hit you badly. Now you would see many people would be buying at this area. Okay, since the market had it's coming for a dip, there would be many people who would be actually buying. Today those who are lucky, I think those who had bought at around this point they would have made a good amount of profit. This is the point. Those who would have bought at the first point, at this point over here, only they would have made a profit. Otherwise it's going to be volatile, no doubt about it. Highly volatile. But the trend, guys, the trend is still upwards. Okay, the trend is still not downwards. Nifty at 0.3%. let's see if we get a sell call somewhere over here. Guys, the trend is still upwards, but it's going to take a dip before it's coming up. So that's what I would recommend. Wait for the perfect dip. But बहुत लोग बोल सकते हैं it has already taken a dip. 2 बार dip लिया, अभी ऊपर जा रहा है, ऊपर नीचे कर रहा है, तो difficult to say, really difficult. 37,000 में तो जाना चाहिए, but I think Bank Nifty should outperform Nifty today. But yeah, all eyes on Nifty too, because Nifty want to reach 17,000. Did it reach 17,000 Nifty? Open made a high of 16,995. Nifty made a high of 16,995. 5 minute, if any possibility of an inside candle. 5 minute chart में inside candle. Inside candle अंदर तो कुछ work नहीं करने वाला है. But better if you see in the 15-minute chart. If you want to see an inside candle, inside candle यहाँ पर बनाएगा. और क्या? Sorry, 30-minute chart ये 15 minute. 15 minute में देखोगे तो then you can see that this ये जो inside candle है ना, ये already तोड़ चुका है. अगर इसका भी हाई पॉइंट लेते हो यहाँ पर, इसका भी लो पॉइंट लेते हो, तो ये तोड़ चुका है, तो बोलोगे डाउन जा रहा है, राइट? ये तो तोड़ चुका है यहाँ पर. ये था एक कैंडल. टुडे इनसाइड कैंडल आउटसाइड कैंडल कुछ नहीं. इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ वॉलेटाइल मार्केट गाइस, बिकॉज ऑफ लो मार्जिन. It's going to be a volatile market, I'm telling you. Now this point would be the critical point for Bank Nifty. If it takes a support over here, that would be your last support. Otherwise, it's going to come down. The market has settled. The morning move is over. Okay. But yeah, 2 candles which I had expected, and 2 candles exactly it has given me, and that was the trade. But the trade was so fast. I mean, I don't think anyone would have taken it that fast. कुछ लोग लिए होंगे, but yeah. It's going to come down right now. ये नीचे आने वाला है, नीचे आने वाला है, ऐसा तो लग रहा है. नीचे आने का आगे थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे करेगा. ओके. निफ्टी 50, सॉरी निफ्टी 50. एक मिनट. निफ्टी 50 में 5 मिनट में इनसाइड कैंडल. 5 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम में 5 I would not follow a 5-minute time frame inside candle, Rohan. Okay, better you follow, if you want to follow that setup, you follow on a 15-minute time frame. That would be better. But still, Nifty 50 is also coming down, but people are still expecting 17,000. all right, everyone is expecting 17,000 in Nifty. So देखते हैं क्या होता है यहाँ से. Bank Nifty is supporting, taking a support, and so is Nifty. डाउन ट्रिगर तो आया है. Problem is that everyone has booked their profit already, okay, and no one is willing to buy right now. That's the main problem. After a long time I have seen volatility like this. This can be your inside candle, okay, if you are trying to trade in that inside candle setup, then this would be your inside candle. Okay, this would be your inside candle, Rohan. If you are thinking about Nifty, trading in Nifty inside candle. Now the momentum would be slow, but volatility would be there for sure. Okay, ऊपर तो जाने का कोशिश कर रहा है. This is the point where it will take a resistance once again, so you can watch out this point how it reacts over here. It has created a base, but I would suggest that be careful. People, they want to buy the dip. Everyone wants to buy the dip right now. After it has created, now it has created a base, guys. Okay, Bank Nifty and Nifty has created a base. People want to buy the dip, but dip आ तो रहा है. आने के बाद ये साइडवेज हो गया. पूरा साइडवेज हो गया. Now see, now how it's reacting is that it's trying to that's what I told you, Rohan. You would not be able to follow any type of specific strategy. Inside candle अगर follow करना ही है तो 15 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम में follow करो. But Bank Nifty, now clearly I told you people would be buying the dip. यहाँ पर एक dip आया, buy किया. यहाँ पर एक dip आया, buy किया. But dip कितना देर तक sustain करेगा वो तो भगवान ही जाने. Okay, लोग तो buy करेंगे because people did not forget this amazing rally which has happened. I don't think anyone would have forgotten. कल जो भी buy नहीं कर पाया आज तो buy करेंगे ही करेंगे यहाँ पर. Now again the reaction exactly at this point. Okay, we are waiting for the reaction, how Bank Nifty reacts at this point, and then only you can go for the sell or the buy accordingly. Alright, 36,347. So it has made a really nice bullish candle. This is the point where I want to see how Bank Nifty is actually reacting. Okay, this is called a bullish candle. A very strong candle. It's not creating any type of wick or any type of nonsense like that. It has created a strong bullish candle. Now it's trying to create a wick, but next candle I think is going to be big. Next candle I think is going to be big. Let's see how it reacts over here. Okay guys, my view is still Nifty to 17,000 today. It should go to 17,000 Nifty. Yeah, I think expiry trade would be really nice this time. During expiry they are pumping it to, you know, dump it. Pump and dump खेल चल रहा है. So इसका ATH है 16,900 and this is the ATH. Okay, right now in Nifty. A very high chance that it will reach 17,000. See, it's making two consecutive bullish candles right off the bat. Alright, and the buy volume is really good guys, really good amount of buy volume is coming in. Really like the buy volume right now. a very high amount of buy volume. Let it cross 36,425, then you can take up a buy. Alright, Nifty is looking strong. Nifty will reach 17,000 again, I believe. इनसाइड कैंडल और क्या फॉलो करोगे? इनसाइड कैंडल ही इतना बड़ा बना है. If I show you in the 30-minute time frame, this is the inside candle in Nifty. Okay. Inside candle ही इतना बड़ा बना है. 16,995 से 16,915 is your inside candle. इतना बड़ा inside candle में, I mean Nifty usually moves 100 points or 200 points maximum it will move. आजकल कुछ ज़्यादा ही मूव कर रहा है क्योंकि मार्केट वॉलेटाइल है, but yes. Let it cross 36,420 again, I'm telling you guys. Then only you would be getting a buy call. Still right now it's not going to be a buy, it's not going to be a sell, it's just in a sideways pattern. Still deciding where to go, where not to go. The rally has already taken place yesterday, and I told you in the morning that this two big red candles is where Bank Nifty will take a support. On to खोला 920. This candle was a surprise candle, guys. जो भी है अभी तो साइडवेज है, फिलहाल देखता हूँ क्या होता है. जाना तो ऊपर ही है इसको. Guys, right now don't trade, okay? It's better wait for the right opportunity, and if you want, I believe you should not trade for a few days. It's better like that. If you don't trade for a few days, I don't think anything will happen, but this amount of volatility will hit your SL up and down. It might even hit your target within 1 second or SL within 1 second. तो टारगेट या तो SL कोई भी ले जाएगा एक ही बार में. But the volume is there, huh? I'm checking it. The volume is there. Guys, there is a down trigger, okay, but this is the point where which I want Bank Nifty to pass. This point needs to be cleared in Bank Nifty. I'm just waiting for that. Let's see what happens. और निफ्टी तो डांस ही करेगा अभी. But all-time high 17,000 is coming into play, guys. No doubt about it that 17,000 is a level which people are expecting, and when people expect that, there would be a lot of buying taking place. And it's really close. 16,995 was the last point. So I believe 17,000 is coming really fast. Okay, guys. There is a down trigger, okay, no doubt there is a down trigger, but ये ट्रिगर में काम करना है कि नहीं है, या buy on dips करना है. I think buy on dips would be the best scenario. Okay, guys, buy on dips would be the best scenario, but the selling volume is coming in right now. क्या हाल है अभी दूसरा स्टॉक का. HDFC बैंक एक बार देख लेते हैं. इसमें देख लेते हैं एक बार. HDFC बैंक सेम हाल है. So Bajaj Finance has given a breakout, guys. Okay, Bajaj Finance has given a breakout, and the previous breakout was also at this point. Now it has given a breakout, and now we can see a good rally in Bajaj Finance. Alright, let me just share this in my Telegram group also. If you want to take an intraday on Bajaj Finance, then perhaps you can. एक मिनट. Right, so I had shared that also in the Telegram group. If you want to take a swing trade, then I would suggest Bajaj Finance might be a good one, where you can take a swing perhaps. Reliance को भी देख लो. Reliance को अगर देखोगे, then Reliance is taking a support at about this point. तो Reliance में भी एक बाय कॉल लिया जा सकता है. ओके, रिलायंस में भी बाई कॉल लिया जा सकता है. निफ्टी is showing its bullish tendency, so is bank nifty. Both are showing a good amount of bullish tendency. Okay, I think they are going to be a lot of false breakout today happening, a lot of them happening. So previously we got a down trigger also, but the down triggers won't be respected today because market is still in a bull run. Okay, volatility is what you get to see in the market. Highly volatile. But yeah, after after maybe 11 o'clock, again the movement will start. Right now, it's not advisable to take any buy or sell call in Bank Nifty. But I had told you that, huh? I had told you that Bajaj Finance has given a breakout and now it's trading at, again it has given you 7 points more. थोड़ा लेट हो गया breakout देखने में, but हाँ, Bajaj Finance has given a breakout. Reliance is taking a support at round about this point. तो Reliance और Bajaj Finance अभी ये दोनों शायद से निफ्टी को ऊपर ले सकता है. Okay, HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank is looking choppy. Bank Nifty trying to go up blindly. Alright guys. Bank Nifty is weak. I would also like to, I was going through the news, and today, according to the news, I found out that there's a news that in China, the playtime over for China's young video gamers. So China has forbidden under 18s from playing video games for more than 3 hours a week, a stringent social intervention that it said was needed to pull the plug on a growing addiction to what it once described as a spiritual opium. So this is negative news in China, and other than that I don't think there is any other factor. But the positive thing in the market is Nifty and Bank Nifty, or I mean Nifty is at its all-time high, and that will drive the market towards an even higher level. But I believe guys that Nifty will still reach 17,000. It will reach 17,000. उसके बाद you can take a swing trade on Nifty for a downside. Uh, for maybe a monthly expiry, you can take a swing trade. I feel that after reaching 17,100, 200 levels, it should surely go down. There has to be a price wise correction in Nifty. But हाँ अभी 17,000 तो 17,000 पहुंचने के बाद भी और ऊपर जाएगा. But Nifty has been in a 90-degree angle. I mean, if I show you the hourly chart, let's see the hourly chart. You can see constant from 11th August it has started. The bull rally has started, and by the way, 11th August it just crossed 16,000. I mean, not 11th August. It had crossed 16,000 right about at this time. उसके बाद 16,000 से सीधा अभी 17,000 है. तो this is just absurd, to be honest. तो जो भी है एक इनसाइड कैंडल बना रहा है, एंड making a bullish move in Nifty. If you want, you can take a buy call in Nifty for 17,000 and you can hold it till expiry if you want, but volatility would be there, guys. I'm still saying it. Market would be volatile. Still, we are in the downward trigger in Bank Nifty. It's weak, guys. Bank Nifty is looking really weak. And on the other end, Nifty is looking strong. 969. I'm just checking the option price for Nifty. Alright. Nifty and Nifty. अगर देखो 17,000 strike price for 2nd September. It's trading at 48 rupees. Cost you around 2,400 bucks, round about that. 50 quantity, 100 quantity will cost you 5,000. But yeah, it's looking strong, so लग तो रहा है निफ्टी में you can take a buy call. बैंक निफ्टी सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहा है. End of day it can also give a breakout, but we have to wait, guys. Okay. नींद आ रहा है अभी. Very high volume towards the buy side. I don't think we can take a sell call over here. Volume is still high, guys, towards the buy side. Okay, although we have a sell call in Bank Nifty. Checking Nifty also once. India VIX is up by 2%, but in Nifty, let's see. Even in Nifty there is a sell call, but Nifty mein I think it's better we don't take a sell call. Nifty is looking way stronger than Bank Nifty. So guys, I had previously mentioned that Bajaj Finance has given a breakout, and it was at 7,242 or 40 levels, and right now it's at 7,274. So that's 30 points in Bajaj Finance. Okay. And made a high of 7,986. Thousand 286.